almost after 1 month I'm going to do my makeup, and you can see me doing my makeup. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again, and assalamu alaikum to all of you. If you like my videos, please like it. If you don't like, and ignore it. So you will see me today. I'm very well excited. Why I'm excited? It's a surprise for all of you and for someone special also. Today I decided finally to go back to Huangxi to see my someone special, because that someone special is really special for me, and that person miss me a lot. That person call me every day, cry, and then I decided, okay, I will come to see you. I'm going to end my trip here, and even though I told that person that I'm coming after 1 week, but then I decided, no, I will going to book my ticket now and then I will go. It was very hot day, and as all of you know, not all of you, but my few friends and my family know, whenever I do a little makeup, even though or no makeup in summers, I will sweat like I was taking shower every 1 minute, after every 1 minute, and I was washing my face every second after. I was sweating like this from my head to toe, but still I was excited to go, and my flight was at 6 o'clock. When I leave my apartment and I was going in towards the subway, and then I receive a call or an email and one message also that, dear Aksa, Dr. Aksa, your flight is delayed. It will be at 7 o'clock, 7:30. I say, okay, it's fine, 1.5 hours. And then I say, okay, it's mean I need to change my train ticket also, because I buy my ticket from Xinjiang to Wuhan, and then from Wuhan to Huangxi it was a train. Then I tried to cancel my ticket by using a stupid cell phone, and cell phone was not working. WeChat, they say you have to go to train station and then cancel your ticket. And it was almost 1 hour from airport to train station. I travel towards that and I cancel my ticket and then I come back to 1 hour travel again to railway station. And then when I reach almost there, and they say, oh dear, your flight is again delayed. I say, now what time? They say it's 9:30. I say, okay, I will wait here, make some videos and like this. And I was fine, but I was really super hungry. I say, okay, but I was wearing a laptop bag. I don't know why every time I take my laptop bag with me. I don't know which kind of business I'm doing, but I never ever leave my laptop. Even though at my home, if I have to go to see my sister, still I will take my laptop with me. And here also I bring my laptop with me, even though I was not going to use my laptop in Xinjiang, but still I take it with me. I was feeling very hungry, and then I decided to let's find a KFC or McDonald's to eat something. And after searching a lot, because stupid Chinese, they have, I think so, a lot of big places. They make all of their subways, railway stations and airports very big, very big, for people like me get confused where to go, where not to go. And then finally someone told me that, girl, here is a KFC, you can go there. And when I went there, they say, dear, it's 6 o'clock and it's our off timing, it's closed now, you have to go back. And I went to a Chinese shop, and there I didn't find anything good to eat. Then I only have one option. I always take my coffee mug and coffee, instant coffee, everywhere in this world. So I just drink my coffee, and then I start waiting. And then I receive message again, dear, your flight again delayed. I say, now what time? They say it's 10:30. And then I say, what should I have to do now? So I cancel my train 3 times, and again then I book my train, even though I say, okay, if they are going to cancel it again, then I have to book it a little bit far. So I was going to reach to Wuhan at 1:30, and I booked my train ticket for 3:30. Then I was waiting, and there was no my friends to take pictures of mine, because I don't like to take selfies. I think so in my cell phone no single selfie of mine. So there was no one. I tried to put my camera here and there to do my setup and may click pictures, and then I see after clicking my pictures that बहन तुम तो परिजात बन चुकी हो. Because I was making my videos like this and I was just seeing my face and my face was fine, but when I see my rest of the body in camera and I delete all the pictures, delete, because I was literally looking like Parizad. And then I said no, it's very bad, because I was travel a lot, and because of traveling in sunny I was not using any kind of sunblocks. So my right now I'm Parizad, Garib Parizad. So the blunder I do in this airport, I was booking my flight in a hurry. So without checking, both informations was mine. One is 5 years ago, that is my old passport number, and I by mistakenly choose my old passport number. And when I was going to do my boarding, and they say it's a wrong passport number, and I said no, it's fine, it's mine. And they say no, it's wrong. And then they say you can only get boarding if you have your old passport. And thank God, because the grace of my mother, she always say take everything with you, and I take my passport old and new both with me every time. So I show them yes, it's mine, and then they say okay, you can go. After boarding I do my check-in, and then I was hungry and I see a Subway, and I was run towards the Subway. I say okay. I told them make it spicy, and the stupid girl didn't make it spicy. She make it I think so. I don't know what taste it was. It was bad. It was not good. And then I eating my Subway. I went to do my boarding, and I was happy. Finally, there is no issue. I went to airport. I ate my dinner, and it was sleeping time. And still, I need one more coffee. Then I drink more coffee and sleep. When I wake up, I was in Wuhan. And I was very excited, but I was also in a hurry that there is no subway from Wuhan airport to railway station at night, and I'm alone. I need to use taxi, so what should I have to do? And also I'm like that, I love to play with my lips, so every time after 1 hour my lipstick will be removed, and I remove my lipstick by eating it by myself. And my makeup also. Then I say what kind of surprise. At the beginning I was full in makeup, wow, such a beauty, perfect girl, and now there is no makeup. Then I take my luggage. After taking my luggage, I use taxi. Using taxi, I went to railway station and use my train. This is a sleepers, and I didn't make video here because all these train stations sleepers, they are using white bed sheets and it look like a postmortem room. So I say no, it's scary, so I didn't make it. Then I went to Huangshi and I used again taxi, and it was almost 5 o'clock, 5:40, no, 4:40, yes. And I used taxi, and I was very happy to go back to my city and my university again. And I was excited to give surprise to my someone special. Because of that stupid thing, I have to do everything by myself. These all stairs, I have to carry my bag, my laptop, everything. And then I call I, and she opened door for me because our door is going to open at 6 o'clock. And then I was say I have to apply my lipstick because I already eat my lipstick, and now I'm going to surprise my someone special, and let's see her reaction. And you can see her reaction. It was a good voices in that video, but by mistakenly I say something else, so I have to do voiceover because of that. Other voice I'm going to use the same voice. And I was saying here, let's see Kiran's reaction, and Kiran was unaware. I all unlocked my door and into room, and she was sleeping like a dead body. And then I say Kiran, and she and I say again Kiran, and she I say Kiran, and let's see Kiran reaction. Oh, and why she's crying? I don't know why she's crying. Why she's crying? And then I say Kiran, why you are crying? And she say Aksa, I really miss you. I miss you a lot. And I say I miss you a lot too, but you have to stop crying. I just came here to see you. You are my someone special. And she say I miss you a lot. And I was saying, why? why? I'm not your girlfriend or boyfriend. Why you miss me a lot? And she said, literally, I miss you a lot. And then I say, okay, thank God. And then I found, while coming, I went to kitchen and I found she was not eating everything. There was 4 to 5 breads, and she say every time I try to eat because I miss you, and I never eat bread properly because you are not here with me. And then I say, oh, so sad. That means you lose your weight. And then I found there is no my cushion, and she say every night I hug your cushion and then I sleep. I say, even though when I was here you never hug me, we never sleep together, why now my cushion? And she say, because I miss you. And I say, okay, that's me, you love me a lot. Why you love me a lot? Even though I'm very 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 angry girl, ladaku girl. Yes, ladaku. I'm very in ladaku. I don't know what to say in Urdu. Ladaki ya ladaku. Okay, ignore. I'm very angry woman, so I fight even though every time I give her a lot of bundle of restrictions. Kiran, don't do this, don't sleep that, don't eat this, don't wear this makeup, don't wear this dress, don't go there, don't go here. And still she loves me a lot. I love you a lot, Kiran. So don't cry when I leave this university again after a few days. I just came here to see her and take my luggage because now I'm going to move to my new university. My travel is finished, but I need to go to new university. And because of her, I was saying here, the way you miss me, people is gonna say lesbians, lesbians. So I say, Kiran, you don't have to treat me like that. You don't have to cry because of me. You have to cry because of your family, and you're someone special, not because of me. We are friends. We are not something else. So still I have to give surprise to my other friends because they are still here. So I decided not to give them surprise now because now I need to take rest and I'm going to sleep. And because I'm not going to eat now because it's early morning, and I want to sleep because I never sleep. Last night, if I never sleep, I will get angry. If I'll get angry, then I'm gonna fight with everybody here. So it's most important thing to take rest. So I decided, okay, we are not gonna meet rest of the friends now. I already meet my someone special. I'm gonna give surprise to my other friends later when I'm going to wake up. So I say, Kiran, you also have to sleep again. Don't cry. I'm going to sleep again. Good night, goodbye. And all of you guys, please pray for my someone special and like my video and share it with your friends. Goodbye.